Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
Miss Chin, aka Chinese food.
Why are we eating Chinese food today, my love? Because it's what? Fast Food Friday.
FFF in the building.
So today, like we said, we have Chinese food, and you know I cannot have Chinese food without crab ragoon. I have to have it. I just love it.
They said the crab raccoon. Okay.
I have chicken and broccoli with white rice. What do you have, my love? I had these noodles. I forgot what they're called.
Shrimp and broccoli with fried rice. So my first lady, beef and broccoli noodles. How you pronounce that? How you pronounce that?
No. I have to think.
She don't even know what she just ordered, but it's not pork.
It's not pork. It's beef. We want to taste it first.
Taste it first and see what's going. And tell them my taste. Why you make them taste? And then they tell you how it tastes. You might not like it. You may not like it.
I don't share with them.
Oh, snap. See, I'm trying to help you out.
All right.
Okay.
Let me see. What's this noodle called? God damn it.
Fine noodle. What's the name? Put it right here.
Good.
Put it right here. It's not in the thing. Okay.
Alright guys, I'm gonna share with you. You guys know I love you. I'm just joking.
Share it.
Here you go.
First lady's not like that. First lady don't get down like that.
Yes.
I want you to be nice to first lady.
Every true.
Don't get down like that. It's nice? Alright.
I need to know the name.
I'm gonna know the name. You know the hair. See that? See that one? See that? You know I gotta put some of this on it. The grace in the building. All day.
Oh, your name is not there, my love.
The name is not on there? Damn. It's all good though.
Okay, family, we're back. Listen, I had to find the name of the noodles because it was driving me crazy. It's called Me Fun Noodles.
M-E-I.
Fun. F-U-N noodles.
Hold on. I want to tell you. I'm going to get the crab raccoon first. Let me say crab raccoon. We got sweet and sour sauce with it.
Oh shit, hot. Hot.
Ready to eat one?
It's good.
Try some.
You know what? I should have told them to make my my chicken and broccoli extra spicy.
Let me taste this. That's a beef? It's very good. Hey.
Taste the noodles. Yeah. Hot?
Wow.
That's what I'm saying. It has a kick to it. And guess what? It's so thin. What I did was I had them cook it in chili sauce. I should have had them put extra chili sauce, but it's okay because I got my 2-time spicy sauce here.
You love that 2-time spicy sauce. No, 2-time spicy on the body body.
I did have some problems, and after I ate it, I had some problems, my youth.
Yes, I'm putting all kinds of sauce on it. So what? I love my saucy. I gotta eat the saucy, son. And then we told you got spring roll.
Oh, and we do have spring roll.
Wanna put them on?
Good.
Okay. So all my shrimp lovers here, take a bite of the shrimp. There you go.
If I get this, not if. When I get Chinese food again, I'm definitely ordering this. You back, honey?
I'm back. Family, why you didn't tell me I didn't have no juice over here? I don't know if you eat this vegetable spring roll, but here. I'm gonna dip it in here for the sweet and sour for you.
They were trying to give Richie the pork one.
Yeah, I said, no, we don't do that. There you go, the sweet and sour sauce. But look now. Can't see it, but it's decent. Happy Friday, y'all.
Taste this, honey. Okay, we're finished name that. Get the sauce.
And just like, let me try it.
Wait, what?
Let me try it. Come on.
Oh. It's soft.
What's that boy's day? You want a shrimp? Why not? You took one already?
No.
Gabby, did you take one of my shrimp?
No.
You know what?
I don't like how Chinese food shrimp tastes. I don't know why.
2, let me see what shrimp they gave it Richie today. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shrimp they gave me.
That's not bad.
That's not bad, that's decent. That's not bad, family. 6 shrimp.
Usually they count the shrimp, huh?
You didn't take none, right?
No.
Okay.
I'm not a liar.
Family, did she take any? Y'all wouldn't tell me anyway.
So you don't believe me? Wow.
You didn't take it because you team up food a lot. You say, the first thing they'll say, Pastor Richie, you teach her food all the time, so what if she teach your food?
But here's the thing. If I take your food, I'll just say, honey, I took it.
Oh, your body girl.
You're a bad girl.
She's a body girl. Tell them the story. They want to know the
No.
Yo,
I knew you were gonna say that.
tell them the story. You beat up the girl, my dude. They want to know the story. And see, you always want me to tell the story, but you don't want to tell the story. You beat up the girl.
I haven't had a fight since high school. I'm grown. Now, I walk away from people. I mean, listen, I leave people alone.
We don't, talk. Cause we gotta talk about it for real.
I don't bother them, they don't bother me. But if you bother me, it's a problem. Because you don't want the wrath of Shanice, okay? But, I have no problem with nobody.
Yeah. That's one thing. We try to stay away from problems. But if the problem come, we gotta solve it. My theories, you can call me whatever you wanna call me. Call me. But when you go to the wife, the kid, that's fighting words. Just don't touch me too. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
But
That's most people, but I never understand in school when they tell you, oh, if somebody hit you, go tell the teacher. I didn't teach my kids that. If you taught your kids that, there's nothing wrong with that. But we did not teach our kids that.
somebody hit you?
We taught them. Somebody hit you in school,
Said
and you know that they hit you like because they want to hurt you. You hit them, and then you tell the teacher, hey, he hit me, I hit him back. Tell me alone.
Just like that.
Yeah.
Real talk.
You're not going to get in trouble. Simple.
That's real talk right there.
Because sometimes people just need one good slap, and they'll leave you alone.
That's true. All right. We stay away from problems, man.
You have to.
You have to stay away from the problem, but sometimes people just press your button. Oh yeah. That's a yes.
Yeah.
Pastor Richie and she needs to, yeah. I'm in the same boat. People do press our button, but you know, you gotta be the bigger person.
But sometimes family, I know it's hard. It can be hard.
Yeah.
Because no one is gonna stand here let anybody.
Talk to them. Mix up the rice again.
Like for example.
Talk to them.
Like for example, right now.
Talk to them.
I gotta hold my composure and because you love teeth my food and all. But I love fight y'all.
Yeah man. But sometimes we use tell family now, sometimes what? You gotta. It's hard.
It's hard. But like what you said, if you wanna use your words right now, back then, somebody say something inappropriate, I'm gonna fight them.
Yeah.
That's when I was in my 20s, my 18s, you know what I mean? My teens.
Yeah.
Not now, my late 30s. Can't do that stuff.
That's true.
But you touch me now.
Yeah, that's when the problem is.
All bets are off.
All bets is over. Ain't no more nice Shanice. Don't piss off First Lady. Oh, I actually want broccoli. You got broccoli too.
Duh.
We shouldn't get the same thing.
You know, we should. I was very indecisive. I couldn't figure out what I wanted to eat. Yeah, what kind of Chinese food? If I wanted, I think if I eat any wings. Well, you know, we're winged out. And
Alright.
like you guys know, I'm not really a fan. I don't know why. Something about Chinese foods, shrimp. I'm not too fond of it. I don't know why. But everything tastes really good. What? Oh yes.
Yeah, I'm bringing that. I'm very busy.
So.
Ew! I don't like that.
What was that?
Celery.
Oh yeah, I don't like celery either.
Yeah. My daughter loved that. I don't like celery. No way, Jose. I don't like that.
But you've eaten it.
Where's mine? How?
You've eaten it. When it's cooked out.
Yeah.
And you don't know it's there.
What? What I'm doing? I'm eating my food. What I'm doing?
I watch
something wrong?
your man. I watch you.
I'm eating my food.
They can go along. They can go along.
Family, when you buy Chinese food, do you like your broccoli crunchy? I sure do. I love the crunch.
We haven't had Chinese food in a while.
Wow. I like the crunchy. It's a crunch for me.
I like when it has a bite to it. So last time we had Chinese food, and I told the family that I don't really put the sauce on my crab ragoons. I like to just eat it like that.
Wow, Tom. I swear. Woo! No, Papa. Wow, Tom. Eat what's in your mouth.
No.
Please, I want you to try. I don't think I'm
No,
camping.
I'm scared.
Family.
No, but
she
you gonna
try.
put that big piece in my
I
mouth?
just ate a big. You know what I thought it was? Sweet
Pepper.
No, you like spice? Just please, just listen. Just take a bite.
Hold on.
What the frick is that? No, eat it.
It's a jalapeno.
No, all right, that one hot money. Wait, the jalapeno hot, yo.
No, it hits you at the back of your throat. Oh no, that's a chili.
Actually hot.
That's a chili.
Wow.
That's hot. You fucker, yeah. You shouldn't eat my goddamn food.
Wow.
That you get.
I thought it was sweet pepper.
Too greedy, too craven.
Yes, I'm drinking a soda. So what?
It's not gonna make it worse.
Yeah. Mix it. Wow, that joint is hot. That's how hot the chili is?
Next to no food.
Wow.
You don't have no business over here.
That shit hot.
And that you get. You ate a whole big one like that?
A bigger one. I thought it was sweet tomato. Whatever. Sweet pepper. Wow.
Yeah, your whole mouth is hot now, huh?
Ooh. Why did I put that in there?
Like, was it meant for you?
My tongue is burning, son.
Oh, I'm sorry. Let me stop.
It's hot for real?
I'm sorry, honey.
No, seriously, it's hot. This one hotter than the grace pepper.
Well, it is chili, it's pepper. And you ate it, like, remember the time you and my cousin...
Tell them. Okay, go.
Let me tell you something. We was going to go to Jamaica. It was the night before we were going to go to Jamaica. And you know, you bleach because your flight is at 5 in the morning. You gotta leave at 2 o'clock.
Right. Hold on.
So, we was there bleaching all night. So we there. Bleaching means we stayed up all night. That's what we say in Jamaican. We bleach. So, Richie and my cousin decided that they're going to eat a pepper. Family, I don't know why they decided that was gonna be the move that night.
Scotch Bonnet and I plant that one then.
Scotch Bonnet that we planted. Richie tried to convince me to join in. I said no, I don't need that much fun in my life. I'm good over here in boring land. So
yo, I guess it's the butt for me. Family, don't do it. First lady was some pounds out there.
That's the booty.
But it's that booty for me. Tell us what, yeah.
So
It's cooling down now. I'm gonna give it to your daughter when she tastes it.
no.
Yeah,
So I said no, I'm good. I don't need any spice in my life like that. So the challenge was, yes, family, it became a challenge. The challenge was you have to eat the pepper, and the first person who spit it out loses. The pepper then was I planted them in there. So they're well hot enough.
Touch on it.
Richie and my cousin eat the pepper. They're eating pepper. And I'm standing there. The pepper was so hot that just by them chewing and breathing, I can smell the pepper in the air. It's really hot, huh? So finally, my cousin spit it out first. So as soon as my cousin spit it out, Richie spit it out. So Richie's very competitive. Very competitive.
I like to lose, son.
If my cousin didn't spit it out, Richie would have never spit out his.
Me and them two of them.
Yeah. So they both reaching for milk, reaching for water. Cause we was outside in the backyard, getting the pipe hose and doing this.
That pepper channel, it was crazy.
When you did something in the bathroom, you about to bun ya?
Yeah, my ass bun me a freak. About to bun me, man. Family, here, take one. Cause that chili pepper so hot, I'm gonna give you one. Take one. Ah, damn it.
Why don't you have them taste the chili pepper?
This is your first thing you want to do to y'all?
Let us know if it's hot.
Let's know if it's hot. To my pepper lovers.
Is it hot?
So if it's hot. Take it.
See? It's not hot.
I'm gonna do this thing. That crap hot, so I ate all the seed too, B. Oh! You ready for the wow?
Okay.
Not that wow. I mean wow. Word of wisdom. AKA Miss Gina.
Go ahead.
You know that. I like the abbreviation.
So we got wow,
FFF.
word of wisdom, FFF, and OOTD.
Yes.
You guys be coming through.
All right. What we got for y'all now? Let's see. Family, I know you ready. I know first lady over there grubbing down. I know she took some of my shrimp, you know. Listen to this one. Family, take note of people who only call you for when they need something.
Yeah,
If
man.
you got those people, you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? Take notes. Definitely.
Okay. Want some chicken, honey?
No, no more your food. You don't want to hurt.
Good.
We appreciate y'all.
I didn't drink no juice, no water. We don't rush your family for.
No, I'm trying to chat too much food. Yo, I'm not even gonna lie, son. That chili was hot, dude. That chili pepper real?
It's either chili or jalapeno. But
The jalapeno, that's
it's
gonna
cooked,
be
it's cooked, jalapeno is very hot too, but it's cooked in chili sauce, so I'm assuming that it's chilies. This food is delicious. Good call, my love.
Yeah, this was delicious. I ain't gonna lie. It was good. I ain't gonna lie, that pepper got me, son. I ain't gonna cap. You full?
I ate a lot.
You did? You ate up all your side. We appreciate y'all. We share with y'all. If you're new, Don't forget to subscribe. And welcome to the show where we talk about anything, you know. And we are the greedy couple. They your first lady?
Hold on, wait a minute. How most of my noodles got on your side?
Ask your family. I gotta tell them story.
We know that, well, you guys are the greedy family. Excuse me. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.